Buck teeth is a common dental issue where the upper and lower teeth don't align properly, potentially causing discomfort, aesthetic concerns, and bullying. It's best to consult an orthodontist early, especially during childhood when treatment is more manageable due to softer bones. An orthodontist can assess your teeth and recommend treatments like braces, tooth removal, or even surgery for severe cases. Practicing good dental hygiene and maintaining regular checkups is essential while awaiting treatment. If you feel self-conscious, consider diverting attention with makeup or hairstyles, and remember to embrace your uniqueness, as everyone has flaws. If bullying occurs, seek support from trusted adults and understand that many people experience similar issues with their smiles. Ultimately, confidence and self-acceptance are key, and discussing your feelings with someone you trust can be beneficial.